Hi! In front of me is ZTE Axon 30, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this device. First of all, you need to access device's settings. After that, click on home screen settings over here. Then you need to scroll down and click on home screen mode. After that, select simple mode by clicking on it and tap on apply. Then wait. As you can see, easy mode is now on. If you wish to go back into the standard one, you can do that by accessing settings again, clicking on home screen settings, tapping on home screen mode and clicking on one of those options. I will go with true one. Then tap on apply one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!